Life is a continual struggle, Schopenhauer once stated. This reflects his profound belief that each of us battles against insatiable desires. In modern terms, he implies that much of our pain stems from wanting what we cannot easily attain. Indeed, this constant yearning is layered within our quest for fulfillment, underscoring the essence of our human experience. It raises the question, is true happiness merely an escape from the cycle of want? We may ponder, could alleviating our suffering lead to genuine peace? Or is it merely a mirage,